Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to a daily update, my 1000 days challenge. This is day 121, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, you'll notice the balance remains the same. I didn't close any trade setup for yesterday. I've also entered a little bit of a long setup, but there is more for the systematic kind of trading. When it comes to price action, as you see over here, there's no change in terms of directive. So for a quick update, it's still remaining neutral in terms of the daily chart. You will see over here. But just before I go to the daily chart, you'll notice that the weekly chart is potentially forming some sort of exhaustion kind of candlestick today. So let's see how price react to it. But in terms of the daily chart, right, what I do see is that we do see support at the 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart. So even though this was firstly supported, and yesterday I said that it could potentially close below, which is potentially bearish, but it seems that we bounced right up. And then now we are looking to go above. So things are looking good as price remains above this 20 exponential moving average. Short term and mid term wise, I do see further potential upside, or we could potentially form like an ascending triangle over here and then break towards the upside as well. So things are still looking bullish, even though there's a sharp drop over here with a spike in terms of volume wise. That's how I see it. Of course, it could also be like an ABC kind of retracement, in which case we'll retest this 50 simple moving average on a daily chart. There's a possibility as well, or even further retracement. But tentatively, I say that within this 50 to this horizontal key resistance 14K mark would be a good region for me to add in terms of long-term wise as well. All right, so otherwise, that's more or less about it in terms of the key update. For price action trading wise, on the 4-hour chart, like I mentioned, this was a potential symmetrical triangle that I was looking to trade, but it didn't play out. If it does play out, it will have reached over here to retest a support for the third time. Instead, it break upwards. So for this case, I did enter a long, but that was more based on the systematic kind of approach. For me to go for a long in terms of price action wise, even though it has formed a higher high, you can see over here a breach. So now what to see is perhaps, because like I mentioned, this could be some sort of like an ABC kind of corrective retracement. I would want it to retest this horizontal support, resistance and support region. So if we find support over here and there's a supportive candle breaking to this high, that's where potentially I could enter some sort like this. Because you will see that this is also the 4-hour resistance. Maybe I'll just draw it over here so it'll be easier for you to see. Yeah. But basically, if it does break over here, then I lean towards a further upside. So there is a potential setup to go for. But first, I need to see that being tested for support before looking to enter a long setup. Yeah. So this will be some sort like this. So depending on where my stop loss will actually be dependent on where the support is being established. From what I see, I would do want it to be established at this 17.15K region-ish. Otherwise, that's basically the quick update I have for you guys today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.